Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can add music to your already posted Instagram post. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's dive into it. So for that, we're gonna open our Instagram app. There we go. Cross this out. Let's go back first. And now we are here in this section. Now we're gonna tap on this profile icon in the bottom right and go to here in the grid section and check out the post. So let's say this is the post and you want to simply add a music. So what we're going to do, we're going to tap on this three dot, and now we have this option of edit right over there. And if we do that, it only lets us edit the caption that we have added and tag people and add location, but we cannot seem to have a music option. So we're going to tap on this done option and we're going to cancel it. Again, tap on this three dot, and let's see, we do not have any option. We can choose to make a reel out of it and add the music and upload on our profile. But if you would like to add music to your post, then you have to again tap on three dot, delete it, again repost while adding the favorite music of yours, and you're good to go. So that is the process. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.